Okay. Uh, so before that, what is the meaning of this Q line? What is the meaning of these Q lines? So what is the meaning of these Q lines means? The lines which are not parallel and not intersecting. This L1 and L2 is there, no? No, this is called the skew lines. This is called the skew lines. So that is a skew lines. Okay. Now here that important, we need to find the distance between these two skew lines, the shortest distance. So we need to find the distance between these two screw lines. So that is, we need to find the shortest distance. So like this one, but we don't know where is that shortest. So this is A and this is B. This is C and this is D. This is E and this is F. So we need to find the shortest distance. Okay. So now we'll take, there are the two methods will be there. So the problems, so there are three methods. So there are the three methods will be there. So first we'll go find that one method, and it is the easiest method. Just we are taking that. So first one. So this is the L1 and this is the L2. So we are taking one line L. So let's take this DRS is L comma M comma N. Okay. Let's see one problem here. So find the distance between x minus 8 by 3 and y plus 9 by minus 16, z minus 10 by 7. And next, x minus 15 by 3, y minus 29 by 8, z minus 5 by minus 5. Okay. Now, this line is perpendicular to, the line L is perpendicular to L1, the line L is perpendicular to L2. So what we are getting, see this one. So 3L minus 16M plus 7N equal to 0. Next, 3L 8M minus 5N equal to 0. Okay. Now, using that, solving these two equations. Okay, so that methods we know now, L, M, N, 3, 3 minus 16, 7, 3, 8 minus 5. So L, so how you can find the L means this cross production, and that method should be there, no? So we are getting the L, M, N values. Okay, this is 16 into 5, 80 minus 56, and M equal to this thing 20, 21 plus 21 plus 15, and N equal to, and C remaining, we need to find this one, these two. So that we are getting the to it. So here we are getting the L values 24 and M value 16, that N equal to 12. So if you are taking the ratio, then L equal to 2 m equal to 3 and n equal to, we are getting the 6. Okay. Now, direction, these are the direction ratios. Now, direction cosines. So, direction cosines, that is become 2 by under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Okay. So, 2 by, that is 7. Similarly, that is 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. Okay. Now we are taking the points on that line. So this is the point 8, -9 and 10. And this is 15, 29, 5. Okay. Now we are taking that the projection. So the projection of join of the points on the line L. So that's we are getting L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. So that's we are getting 2 by 7 into x2 means that is 15 minus 8 plus m means 3 by 7, 29 plus 9 plus n is 6 by 7, 5 minus 10. So that after the simplification, so we are getting 98 by 7, that equal to 40. So this is the easiest method to find shortest between the two lines. The shortest between the two lines. That is the easiest method here. So it is important. In the examination, it is 100% question. So it is important. It's very important. Find the shortest between the lines. Find the shortest between two skew lines, not the okay. It's very important. So using that first method, the first method is important. Okay, then we'll go some problems. Okay, so that is the line and plane. Now we go to the next one. Sphere. Okay, in 2D and this is 3D. In 2D, this is circle. When it's come to 3D, it is sphere. Okay, so here the in circle, the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, in sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So here the center is minus z comma minus f. Here the center C is minus u minus v and minus f. Okay. Here the radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Here the radius equal to u square plus v square w square minus d. So this is the difference between the circle and sphere. So in a short answer, so find center and radius of this sphere. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So actually what is that? First we have to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Okay, na? So first we are changing the equation. X square plus y square plus z square by 2 by 2x plus 4 by 2y plus 2 by 2z plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. And x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 2y plus z plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now if we are comparing with this one, 2u equal to minus 1 and 2v equal to 2 and that is 2w equal to 1 and d equal to 3 by 2. Then u equal to become minus 1 by 2, v equal to 1 and w equal to 1 by 2 and d equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Then center of the sphere minus u minus v minus w. So that is become 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Next to the radius. So under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Okay. So u square 1 by 4 plus v square is 1 and w square is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So r equal to, take 4 is LCM, 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 6. So that is 0 by 4. So that is equal to 0. Okay. Na? So this is the radius r. And see one more problem, and it is important. Find the equation to the sphere it's passing through 0, 0, 0, and O equal to A comma 0 comma 0, and B equal to 0 comma B comma 0, and C equal to 0 comma 0 comma C. Okay, no? Now, see the solution. The standard formula, sphere equation. X square plus y square z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So this is the standard formula. Now if the point 0, 0, 0 is passing, so that is become 0 plus 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square and 2u into 0 plus 2v into 0 plus 2w into 0 plus d equal to 0. And that is d equal to become 0. Okay, na? Next, the point a comma 0 comma 0 passing. So that's we are getting a square plus 0 square plus 0 square plus 2ua plus 2v0 plus 2w0 plus d equal to 0. That is become a equal to 0. Let take a is common. A plus 2u equal to 0. So a plus 2u equal to 0, no? Then 2u equal to minus a, when u equal to minus a by 2. And if you are substituting the same, the b 0 comma b comma 0, then we are getting v equal to minus b by 2. Okay. Next 0, 0 comma c, then you are getting w equal to minus c by 2. So therefore u equal to minus a by 2. Minus c by 2, d equal to 0. So if we are substitute all the values in equation 1. So what is the equation 1 here is this one. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into, that is minus a by 2 into x plus minus b by 2 into y minus c by 2 into z plus 0 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0. So this is the answer. And next we'll do one more problem. And one more thing. See, this is a sphere. So this is the diameter. So this is center. Okay. Now x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. So these are the end of the diameters. Then equation to the sphere is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 z minus z1 into z minus z2 equal to 0. Okay. Here one problem is there. 2 comma 3 comma minus 1 and 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. Just you need to substitute here, then you are getting that x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y plus 1 z minus and z plus 1 and z minus 2 equal to 0. So if we are simplify this one and we are getting that equation. So equation to the sphere that end of the diameters. Mm. And here one theorem will be there. Okay, so what is the theorem means? The intersection of two spheres is circle. The intersection of the two spheres is circle. Okay. So this is a one sphere S1 and this is a one more sphere S2. So now this point will be there, no? That we have to prove that circle. Okay. Ah. S equal to was the first sphere is x equal to x square plus y square plus z square 2v 2ux plus 2vy 2wz plus d equal to 0 and one more s dash equal x square plus y square plus z square plus 2v dash x dash y and 2w dash 2 plus d1 equal to 0. Now s minus s dash. So let us take that is. So s minus s dash. So let's see what will happen. See that 2 into u minus u dash into x plus 2 into v minus v dash into y plus 2 into w minus w dash into z plus d minus d dash equal to 0. Okay. Now, this is represented by plane. Okay, so this is represented by point. Why? Because uh, any first degree equation in x, y, z, if the any equation is represented in the terms of x, y, z, that is become to the plane. So this point of intersection P lies on S equal to 0, as well as P lies on S minus S dash equal to 0. So that the common points of, see, this is the common points of, this is we took S and this is we took S dash. So the common points is there, no? The common points of S and S dash in the section of the sphere S equal to 0 with the plane S minus S dash equal to also 0. Okay. But the intersection of S equal to 0. Okay. Next to S minus S dash equal to 0. So this is the sphere and this is the plane. Okay. So already we know that sphere and plane intersection, that we are getting what is that? Circle. Sphere and plane intersection, that we are getting what is that? Circle. So therefore this is also we can say that the intersection of the two spheres is circle. Understood? Is it clear? Someone is there? Chandana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're from Andhra,
No, sir, Telangana.
తెలంగాణ. ఇది ఓన్లీ ఆంధ్ర వాళ్ళకి వస్తున్నట్టుంది.
గ్రూప్ లో లింక్ సెండ్ చేశారు సార్, జాయిన్ అయ్యాను.
ఈ రోజా?
అవును సార్.
You attended my class, మా practical class?
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, yes, yes. Understood more. This is important. The important topics only we are discussing.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Okay, right. Okay, my actually the time up is 11:30. Okay.
ఎస్ సార్.